Oh no, it's done. It's here. It's fucking glorious. Going to shift D, move this here, go on mirror for fucking Z. Put this thing right here. Oh no, this looks so hideous. Okay, good. No, this looks hideous. Let's try something else. We're going to remove this. Going to add this. I'm gonna go in my asset library over here. I actually have this small asset library where I get all my fucking attachments and shit. These are all made by me, of course. Gonna look for the optic of my choice. Then I'm gonna go here, and without any Picatinny rail, I'm just gonna slap this shit on top of the carry handle. Make it a bit oversized, yeah? Ah yes, this is glorious. But we do a little trolling. We do a little trolling. That's just it. Oh no! Oh no! Oh shit! Oh. Oh, look at this. This is glorious. This is fucking disgusting and glorious at the same time. This is something that will not let you sleep at night. And the scope is backwards. Just because I haven't had enough, I'm gonna do a little trolling. This is disgusting. Oh no, I don't think so. It looks cursed. It just fucking looks cursed. Oh, I forgot the charging handle. What the fuck is this? Ah, I think I can make it even worse. Just yeah. Let me do a little bit more trolling. Yes, I just did it even worse. No fucking way, this is Tarkov levels of bullshit. This is Tarkov level of curse. Let me just shift the whole fucking optic over here. Can you see something through this? Hold on, let me just hide. Can you actually see something? No, absolutely not. But if I move this here. Holy shit, this... By the force, you're ugly! How can I go wrong about this even further? No, I think there is a way. Remove the barrel. Now, I'm gonna do something a little bit less cursed. I'm actually gonna see how this weapon looks without the fucking... Without the fucking curse. Because we were bad, but now we are good. Shift D, and I think I didn't miss anything. So now... It honestly looks like a nice M16. I mean, I suck at modeling, but this does not look bad. This does not look bad at all. For the video, I hope. Alright. And I guess catch you later.